Hey folks, Carter the Car Guy, Lease Manager at McPhillips Toyota. Welcome to the unboxing of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. Take a look at the rugged new exterior styling of the Toyota TRD Off Road Tundra. Lunar Rock, no less. Jump inside, let me show you around. When you poke your nose inside, you're going to see a lot of the nice new upgrades, an entirely new head unit as well as dash, steering wheel, center console, and more. I personally think that it's just as comfortable for passengers. Why don't you make a call today and come into McPhillips Toyota to test drive this unit or one just like it to determine for yourself. Lastly, lots of space in the back for your family, your friends, or to use as a work truck should you see fit. Again, if you have any questions or comments, contact Carter the Car Guy, Lease Manager at McPhillips Toyota, 204-390-0351.